So we cut our moons, right? That side. There's 4 of them. We fertilized the holes. Now we're gonna start putting in the topsoil. Big ol' 100-gallon Bougainvillea. So now what we're doing is we're watering it in and we're removing all the air bubbles. So get it nice and wet like that. Put dirt all the way around it. Get it nice and wet. And then you start going like that with the shovel. And that removes all the air pockets in the dirt. That's all she wrote, folks. We removed the diseased Canary Island date palm, and we installed this 100-gallon Bougainvillea. You leave that space on top, away from the trunk of the tree. You want to suffocate it with the mulch. That thing would be blooming. Come out here in about 2-3 weeks, that thing's gonna be full. Pretty much gonna get sun all the way. It's gonna get shade a little bit right there and start sun all the way again. Thing's gonna be beautiful.